Hey Galaxy fam, it's your friendly neighborhood RV salesman here, Austin from Galaxy RV. I'm here with one of my favorite units, one of our shadow cruisers, and I just want to show you a couple beautiful features on this one. We'll start with the outside. All right, first things first, power tongue jack. This is as good as it gets. Up and down, no worries at all. No more of this, no more of this. You do have a manual in case you need it, worst case scenario, but come on now. That's pretty great. Next up, I know it's not really outside, but inside. This pass-through storage is massive. It also has a wet trunk under here. You can fit anything you need that's a little bit suspect, a little bit wet, that you don't want to keep in the rest of the cabin. It's a really good place to store it there. Next up, we've got a power awning here. Full length of the trailer pretty much. It's pretty standard to have these, but not this big, not this long. This is a good one. It's got adjustable arms and everything for when you need to get rid of some rainfall there. And next up, we've got a outside kitchen here. Full outside kitchen. You got the griddle. Ah! Just kidding. We're good. Outside griddle. You got a full-size mini fridge here. You got some cabinets here. Everything you need. I think as well, you've got a propane line under here if you want to hook up a full-size barbecue as well. Everything you need. Everything you need. All right, last but not least on the outside here, we got power stabilizers as well. Not only the power tongue jack, but power stabilizers to make it as easy as possible on the old... We do enough of that. We've done enough of that, okay? So now after this, I want to show you a couple of interior features. All right, first things first, this kitchen. 24-foot floor plan, guys. Typically the kitchen gets a little bit lackluster, but they did not skimp on this. This gives you all the counter space you need. You can prep here, you can prep here. It's a little cutting board on top of the sink. You've got a huge sink here too for all the dishes at the end of the day there. 3-burner stove, all propane as well. 2-way fridge. So if you don't know, this runs on 12 volt and propane, whichever is most fuel efficient at the time. So when you're plugged in, it'll be 12 volt. When you're on the road boondocking out in the sticks, you're going to be running on propane. It's very fuel efficient. So it's a great one. Double bunks. This is as good as it gets for kids. You can spin around in circles if you need to. I, myself, spin when I sleep, so this would be ideal for me as well. Holy! Echo! Massive bathroom. For a unit this size, no sacrifice space. Get right in here. It ain't no periscope action. This is perfect. We got the full-size me in here. What would a bathroom be without a little squat action? Perfect. Lots of cupboards, lots of cabinetry, everything you need. And full U-shaped dinette. This is in the slide too, so you get a lot of extra floor space having this out here. This also turns into a bed if you need it. I'd be happy to sleep in it as is, but if you need the extra space, you can drop this table down. And you can fit the whole family in here too. Sometimes these things get a little tight, but as you can see, I can move all the way around. Even in my tight pants, can you believe it? Okay, so they really thought this one out too. You've got 2 entrances to the bedroom. When the slide comes in, your one entrance is obstructed, but you still got a perfectly good one over here. Now you got a big king-size bed as well. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. Oh, I think I might have to take this one. Another thing I really like about these is all the accent lighting. So many lights. I know I look really good in this light. Thank you very much. And it's all thanks to these beauties right here. So it's about as good as it gets for lighting in these. If the windows aren't enough for you, you got a little bit of this light here for you too. This is an entertainment console. So this has everything that you need for Bluetooth, CDs, DVD player, all hooked into your TV that you'll get here. You've got a power shut-off switch here to stop parasitic drains from happening. You've got your slide control, awning control, lights, all that, all in one spot, so it's very convenient. Ultimately, guys, it's about as good as it gets for a 24-foot floor plan. Again, I'm Austin from Galaxy RV. Thanks for taking the time to have a look at this with us. And I hope to see you soon down at the dealership, and we'll make this one yours. Because if it's not you, it's going to be me, so see you there.